Welcome back to Master Your Glass. I'm your host Livio. We are at Bar Basso in Milano, where the Negroni Sbagliato was born. This is my friend Angelo Mele. Angelo's gonna make us 2 Negroni Sbagliato. Let's go. Dale.
È nervosa.
Quant'è? Quant'è la quantità? Sono barman, non è
la ricetta segreta del Bar Basso.
Ok, 7 CL, dai. Ok, 2 CL di 3 CL di He basically said he cannot tell me the recipe, otherwise he'll have to kill me. Grazie. How many have you made, Angelo?
Uncountable.
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 Okay. Un saluto, grazie.
Grazie a voi.
So let me try this really quickly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I always wanted to figure out how the mistake was made. I'm gonna double fist bring me over here so we can get people. I always wanted to figure out how the mistake was made because the Negroni is typically equal parts, 1, 1, 1. So did they just put 1 ounce of Prosecco and still make a 1, 1, 1 Negroni? Well, clearly the proportions are changed. Allora, qual era la storia del Bar Basso? Perché il Bar Basso è così importante?
Il Bar Basso è importante perché è stato il primo bar in Italia e forse in Europa a creare un aperitivo accessibile a tutti a livello strada.
The Bar Basso was the first bar in Italy, but maybe even in Europe, that made the aperitivo accessible to anybody on the street. You got to understand, before this, you can get a Campari and soda, but you couldn't get like a Manhattan unless you went to a big hotel. Who's going to want to go to a hotel and spend a lot of money?
Yeah.
E poi, una domanda, lo sbagliato come nasce? Cioè, è veramente un errore o...
Lo sbagliato non è nato per un errore, è nato scegliendo di utilizzare il prosecco al posto del gin e l'hanno chiamato sbagliato perché è un Negroni sbagliato, ma non perché è stato sbagliato.
Ah, so very good. I didn't know this either. So it's not called the Negroni Sbagliato because they made a mistake. It's because they made this cocktail, which was a riff on the Negroni. So they decided to call it a Negroni Sbagliato. So they didn't make a mistake. They made a Negroni that wasn't the right way, and they called it the Negroni Sbagliato. Very interesting. Angelo, thank you for spending time with us.
Grazie a voi.
Ciao, grazie. So the tasting notes are very predictable. What does Campari taste like when it has that little fresh, cherry, acidic flavor of vermouth with that little herbal component and that high acid from Prosecco? Well, that's what this drink tastes like. Yeah. This isn't a cocktail. This is history. This isn't a drink. It's tradition. Thanks for watching Master Your Glass.